Hello, this is static and dynamic routing. So first things first, configure default static route for R1 and a floating static routing between R1 and R3. So let's go to Cisco Packet Trace. And then let's go to router 1. So what I did is that I put enable and then configure T, and then once that you done that, you will put IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0.172.16.2.2. And then what I also did is that I put INT 001, it's the serial, and then adding IP add 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0, and then no shot and then exit. So the other one is go to route 3. So what I did in route 3, I go this is what I did in the first, but it's wrong, and then this is the one that I fixed with, and it's, you will type enable conft and then IP route 0.0.0.0. And then 192.168.1.10.1.10, and then other one, another 0, and then 10.10.10.2. Another one is 0.192.168.1.1, and then you can either exit or Control Z. So once you've done that, you can configure T again, and then go for root rip, and then type version 2, and then network 192.168.1.0, and then network 172.16.1.0, and then passive interface 0, and then no auto summary, and then you can either go exit or Control Z. Okay, so we're back. So moving on, let's go to number 2 is disable R1 serial 000 and check routing table entries using SHIP route. Make sure route from R1 to R2 is visible. So let's go to Cisco PAC again. So what I did is go back to router 1, and then looking here, we have, I put before we put like this one serial 001, and then after that we'll put serial 000 and then shut, and then what it will do is it will turn the arrow red, but right now it's green because it's already done. And then what it will do is we'll put PDU to PC1 to PC2. So the mail should be going here to here, and then it will come back to here to there. So that will be successful. So we're back. So after you've done that, you can like, you're in the router 1, you will go type like sh then IP route, and then it will show a bunch of things that it will be useful, like your IP address and stuff. So yeah, you can, after that you will just type okay, sorry about that. So after you put the IP the IPSH, it will show the gateway, and then after that you will type the no shot, I mean the serial, and then no shot, and then that's it. So moving on into number 3, which is configure static root in R2, then use oh wait, not that. Configure RIP in R3 and R2. Configure static root in R3, sorry. Then use ship root static to check routing table entries. So okay, so for the number 3 is configure static route in R2, then use ship root static to check routing table entries. So what it is go to router 2. So what I did is that I go to router 2, and then what I put is let's see. It's this one. It's oh wait, no, not that. Is so what I did is put this one is 09.192.168.12, and then 192.168.12, and then 10, and then 192.168.1.0 serial, and same array goes to the other one, but you will replace the 3 instead of 1. So after that you will put show IP route, which is show IP route. Wait, no. There we go. Show IP route static, and then it will show this one. So moving on, let's go for number 4. Configure RIP in R3 and R2, and use show IP protocols to verify directly connected network. So as for number 4, configure RIP as in R3 and R2, use show IP protocols to verify directly connected network. So what you will do is go to R3, and then let's exit this one. Okay, so show IP protocol, and then it will show 172.16.0.0, and then 192.168.1.0, and then let's go back to Cisco. 1.2.168.1.2, and 72.16.2, 192.168.1.1. So the next one is the R3. So we go to R3. Oh wait, that's the, so we go to R2 instead. So let's go to R2 and then show IP protocols there. So 192 192.168.1.0, then 192.168.2.0. So that's it, that's the number 4. And let's go to the other one, which is verify connectivity among all PC. Use ping command here. So after that, we'll just eventually show the, we will use the PDU to see if it will all connect. So PC1 to PC2, and then PC2 to PC3, and then PC3 to PC4, and then PC3 to PC2, PC2 to PC1. So let's see. As you can see, it's becoming successful right there in the bottom screen. And then that's it. Thank you, and that's all.